In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI to write better, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to draft faster, refine your writing, match tone and style, summarize long pages, brainstorm, translate, and confidently review before publishing. Start by opening an existing Notion page or creating a new one where you want to improve your writing. Give the page a clear title, and if you have rough ideas, jot them down so the AI has context to work with. Next, trigger Notion AI. You can type /AI and press enter, highlight any text, and choose Ask AI or click the Notion AI button when you're on an empty page. This opens the prompt area where you'll tell the AI what you need. Be specific about your goal, audience, tone, and length to get better results. To generate a first draft, ask for exactly what you want. For example, write a meeting summary, draft a project update, or create an outline for this document. If you're stuck, start with an outline, skim it, and then ask the AI to expand sections you like. This is a fast way to overcome writer's block. To improve existing writing, highlight your text and request refinements. You can make the writing clearer, improve tone and flow, fix grammar and spelling, or shorten or expand the text. The AI will rewrite while preserving your meaning, and you can accept, tweak, or roll back as needed. Keep your voice by editing the final version to sound like you. To adjust tone and style, ask the AI to match your audience. You can make text more professional, simplify complex language, or make content more friendly and conversational. Specify the audience or reading level for extra precision. For long pages or meeting notes, use the AI to generate concise summaries, highlight key takeaways, and create action items. Place the summary at the top of the page for quick scanning and double check owners, deadlines, and any numbers for accuracy. When brainstorming, ask the AI for ideas or talking points, generate bullet lists, and turn rough notes into structured sections. You can then reorganize the output into headings or convert lists into databases to keep everything tidy. If you need translation or clearer phrasing, ask the AI to translate or rephrase the text. This is useful for global teams, but always verify terminology and keep sensitive details out of prompts. Before publishing, review everything. Ensure accuracy, add company-specific context, and align with internal standards. Treat Notion AI as an assistant, not a replacement for your judgment. Use it consistently across meeting notes, documentation, and updates, and your writing will become more efficient and polished over time. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.